We are on a journey to becoming a 1,000 subscriber family, and you want to be a part of this family because at 1,000 subscribers we are coming up with a surprise and you don't want to miss it. So do hit the subscribe button and join the family. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So today we are going to unbox the Boya BY M1 mic. That is a very common in the entry level market and for the beginner YouTubers as well. So this is a good mic in my opinion. Let us unbox it, get the feel of it, and finally we'll do a sound test of it as well. So hey, what's up guys, this is Abhishek Gargat. So let's get started. Here is the cutter. Let us just cut it off. The box reveals and another box inside this, you can just see over here. Okay, so we have the Boya BY M1 over here. Looks very much clean, and let's just unbox this now. Actually I want to throw this box off. You can just take a closer look on the box over here. Here is the lavalier microphone. Now let's just see on the back, you have some key specifications over here. Nothing much. Let's just dive into the unboxing. Okay, the first thing what you get is a silica gel. We'll throw it off. What we have the main mic here, I guess. Now when you just see this packet, it is made up of kind of leather finish over here. Now when you just take out, here is your lavalier mic guys. Here is your lav mic. You can just see over here, this is a black colored one, and you have this very long cable as well, has the Boya branding over here, and you have the battery unit as well over here. This is a matte finish guys, looks really good for me. You have the switch also where it says camera and smartphone. We'll just check that out in a while. Now let's just keep this aside and let's see what else do we get in the box. So inside the plastic pack, one you get this 1/4 inch pin that goes into the amplifier. We'll keep this down, and then foam as well to reduce the wind. Here you can see we have an LR44 battery as well that will go inside this battery unit, I guess. Apart from that, you have a clip as well, the collar clip which goes onto your collar. Nothing much in the this. Let's just connect this mic to my smartphone and let's see how is the audio quality that we are getting. For your info, we are using a Boya mic itself right now as well. I have ordered a second mic since I required it around the office. So now we have connected this Boya mic onto my smartphone which is hanging right over here. You can see the bundle of wire also here. So you have to judge me and tell me the audio quality, which kind of audio did you like, the previous one or the newer model of the Boya BY M1. So I think it should be pretty much same, and I love this mic. This has been a great companion so far in my YouTube journey, and we are very near to achieving the milestone, that is 1,000 subscribers. So please do hit the subscribe button and do support to my channel, and that would be a great honor, and you would be a part of an amazing journey from 0 to 1,000 in 1 year. That is a great thing to share with you guys. After listening to all this conversation, now you have to be clear that how this Boya mic is giving the audio quality when it is connected to the smartphone. Now the next clip what you are listening right now from the Boya BY M1 connected to my PC, and you can see how crystal clear the sound is when you compare it with the previous audio quality that was recording from my smartphone. So which one did you like, with the smartphone or with the PC? I like the PC version. Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, because that is very important for us guys. I don't want to bore you guys with any kind of numbers over here. You are going to just experience the real life scenario. This room what I am recording is totally not sound dampened or anything like that. It is just a simple room wherein I have set everything and I am recording the audio. Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. Do you like all the numbers in the video or just the real life experience? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel as well, and we will catch you in the next one.